Hi, this is Greg with Calendar Snack. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to do a quick review, should be about 4 minutes, of how sending calendar invites to an email list works. You can see there at the top. Essentially, I'm going to go over the organizer dashboard. I'm going to go into the VIP list. Now, the Calendar Snack app comes with a calendar server. It's free. It is a Vue.js app. In addition to the front end app, which this is, for the organizer user of an email address within this calendar server. There is, in addition, a piece of technology basically for all domain data. So one could imagine if you have multiple users for the calendar server itself, you'd have an admin panel. That'll be for another discussion. Today I'm just going to show you what it looks like as an organizer user. So on the left here, I'm going to fire up the dashboard. I'm going to pick out a game. This year's the Rockies games, essentially wrapping up the Rockies seasons here, getting in the NFL. And exciting enough, we have the NFL games all loaded up, about 300 games, of which 260 are left as we get into the real season. So this stack here is installed into your account. We help you with that. That is a SAM template, or Service Access Management template. And then what you get here on the left is essentially the output, which is organizer dashboard. After the list is uploaded, you see here on the left, on the right, it is uploaded, and the calendar invites are queued, and they're queued in our messaging service, in which we've built on AWS. So with all that crazy out of the way, let me get into the real meat and potatoes. You can see we have 4 things to do with a calendar invite once it's staged into AWS. You can do upcoming pages, event pages, or the VIP list. So the VIP list starts here. I'm going to pick out a file. It's a text file. It's going to upload. I can show the email list here. Now, conceptually, you would understand you could send many up here, thousands, if you wish, into this email list loader. Technically, you get access to our API kit. That'll allow you as a developer to get in there and actually magically do a direct route to your bucket, and that bucket could come through any type of API. You could hook it to MailChimp, SendGrid, etc. I think you get what I mean if you're a developer. I'm going to hide this list here for privacy reasons. I'm going to pick out one of these in the picker as an example. I'm going to pick out 929, and I'm going to go down here to the bottom, and I'm going to say yes to fire up the engine, and I'm going to say send these invites to 929, these calendar invites, and you see what's going on down here. It's going after permission to send, which is part of the API kit. You'll see that these calendar invites have been sent out for 929 to these various email addresses. That calendar invite for Philadelphia Eagles at Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Now, so to confirm that they actually went out, a couple different ways to look at data. Not always easy in a picker. So we've organized it into upcoming. I can scroll down here to look for 929, which is right in here. I am going to take a peek at the email itself, which is the persona of the end user that I sent it to. Let's take a peek at that. That was Philadelphia Eagles. You see that under that persona, Greg Hanshin at 31 Events. He got one of these bad boy calendar invites directly off that batch list. He's going to say maybe. So again, Philadelphia Eagles. Now, if I get lost in this report, which is really easy to do since there's 260 in the loaded data into S3, I can type in Eagles, and you can see Eagles 929. I'm going to go ahead, and 11 invites were sent out there. So you see that there, 11 here in the picker. Let me go back, excuse me, for my demo. Okay, so I'm going to view this event. I'm going to get right into that data bucket there. You'll see that 11 were sent. One that was Greg Hanshin at 31 Events, I just showed you RSVP'd. Now that data is in a data report. And when I click this button here, I can get that detailed data. Now let me go back here and do one more, in spite of, I probably have enough sent. But you'll see another one here, kind of off the bandwagon for this particular script, but why not? I said yes to this event. So I'm going to go back, refresh the picker. We collect the calendar receipt in S3 bucket, and you'll see that I refresh it, and there's a party of 2 now here. I'm going to stop there for the demo for length reasons. Thanks for stopping by. Again, if I wanted to get this detailed report, it would come to footballschedulesoutlook.com. I'm the organizer. I'm going to click this button here real quick, and you'll see that the report is actually sent to that person. And here, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about just in a recap. You hook this up to your SES account, you put the data in via your calendar client. These go into a dashboard, which I showed you. I picked them out, which game I wanted to send to. I clicked yes to send them. They went out via the SES account, which we have set up for Calendar Snack. I took on the persona of clicking 1 or 2 of these, 2 in particular. I collected the data on them, and then I sent the organizer, essentially me, at footballschedules@outlook.com, the detailed reports. So that's a wrap. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out.